everybody, thanks for joining me with our idea of dissecting a flower today. So when you have your flower, we're going to go ahead and dissect it. So everybody's flowers are going to be different, so they're going to be different as you dissect them. So I'm using a rose today, so we're just going to go over some basic parts. What we normally call the stem is the peduncle. And from the peduncle, we go into this part that mine branches out here, so it's this part closest to the peduncle, and it is called the receptacle. Then from the peduncle, from the receptacle, we go into these pieces here that go around the petals, are the sepals. And then we have the petals. So just a little review here, we have the peduncle, the receptacle, the sepals, and the petals. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the petals away from my rose here. So you can do this too, so I'm just going to kind of quickly take mine off here. So every flower again is going to be different depending on what kind of flower. So as you do this, please tell us what kind of flower you have and that you are dissecting today. So once I remove all the petals here, there is a bunch of different parts in here. So you have some long parts in here that there's two different parts in the rose which are different from other flowers. Not every flower is the same. So the rose has both these parts, not every flower does. So the ones that are very long looking here on the sides are my anthers. The ones on the inside that have like a little ball on the end of them are the stigma. So you have two different parts here. And like I said, not every flower is the same. So as you go through here, you have your long ones, which are your anther, your small round ones, which are your stigma. You have your sepals. And you can see this a little better now that my petals are gone. So this piece here is the receptacle. And then you have your peduncle here. So share with us your flowers and you dissecting them, telling us all the parts and all the fun stuff that you find, and tell us what you observed that was different. So we look forward to seeing them. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you all again next week.